Cheers everyone. This is the HMI screencast animation for the mini project. The topic of our mini project is a NewsPoint UI prototype, which is a prototype for the Indian Express website. We discuss what are the existing problems in the Indian Express website, and then we move forward with the animation. We encountered three basic problems. First problem was the opening of a new tab on every click, which is quite irritating as a user. So the solution for this particular problem is using cookies and JavaScript. The second problem that we encountered was of unwanted ads. We know that every website needs to earn certain revenue from the ads, but there needs to be proper spacing and proper placing of the ads. The ads should not mix up with the content. Also, there are certain malicious ads which can harm the user. So for the solution for this problem was using proper space allocation and then using the ad block features on browser for the unwanted ads. The third problem was the UI cluster problem. For any good UI, there should be a concise value statement and an arresting photo and a compelling call to action. What we encountered in the Indian Express, on the other hand, was an unorganized and overcrowding cluster of content which was not suitable for all age groups with respect to the font of the content and the color used. Thus, in this mini project, we tried to make a clear user-friendly design. Let me take you through the various tabs that are there in my website. So this is the home page that we land into. This home page, as we can see, has got a nav bar. It has got this title bar. It has got this subtitle bar. It has got this proper segments of main headings with proper images being used. It has got this another section for the top stories. As you scroll down, there is this section for the current event that is going on. It is proper headings have been used with proper images, and then there are certain sections at the side which are there. These are opinion sections. Then at the top bottom we have got another section for the cricket. Then we have the lifestyle section. Then we have got the brand story section, and then we've got a very good footer for navigation, for enabling the navigation of facilitating the navigation through our website. We move across different tabs. We've got the cities tab, where again we have made use of proper principles that I'll be telling in coming section. We've made use of proper principles to gradually build from this site, from using those principles from experiment 2 till experiment 7. Then we've got this sports section into our website. There is consistency in the type of consistent layout that we are using throughout in the website. Then we've got this technology section. Then we have this shopping section, which incorporates proper font, proper color combination, proper images. Then we've got this world section. Got this travel section, which has been made pretty consistently. Proper spacing is given. Then we've got this capital section. Then we've got this entertainment section, and then we've got this drop-down menu. Then we have a search bar at the top. Now, since I've explained you the basic flow of our website, now I'll be telling you people how we have incorporated different concepts learned across the experiment 2 till experiment 7 to gradually get done with our website. So first of all, I'll discuss about the application of heuristic design principles into our website. The heuristic design principles that I identified for my website as I go on to the home page were visibility of system status, match between system and real world, consistency and standards, and aesthetical and minimalistic design. So as we can see here, as I try to open this sign in page for the user who want to sign in into newsletters, and then we have this very minimalistic design for this with proper color content and proper options to sign in, and then we have got proper labels this text boxes, and then we can use this sign this button to go to the sign up if in case you're not already registered. We have given this option where we can add topics that you like, so that the user experience improves, because the user will try to bond with the particular concept if it caters to his or her needs. So the user can add various topics at the time of logging in, and then he can sign up, and then if he's already got this account, so he can tap back. So coming back to the principles that we have got this home page. So now we discuss about what all concepts have been applied to this home page. So we have tried to make our content clear. We have tried to keep the website pretty consistent. We have tried to use the appropriate color, content, and contrast. We have tried to use different sections. As you can see, we have tried different, put every content as per the section it fits into, and then we have tried to allocate proper space where ads can be added. Now we discuss about the experiment 4 concepts, that is formulating visually pleasing design. As you can see, the number of colors is minimal. The title bar has shade of purple. In on almost every page, the title bar has got shades of purple. Then there is this background. There is this background. If you go to the home page, that is visible from clicking on this icon. Uh, then all the pages like shop are visible over here. We've got black and its shade for the text, and we've got visually, for visually impaired people, we have done the color perception where we've tried to keep the colors as gray, white, and the shades of purple, which is suitable for the people with color blindness. We have tried to keep the current tab that we are into as gray. As you can see, it can be differentiated from others using this gray color. We have tried to implement the screen-based controls, wherein we have got the suitable form design placeholders. As you can see, there is a placeholder for the footer. Then we've got particular header and nav bars, and then we have this drop-down menu which enables the screen-based controls. Also, we can see that main menu and the sub menu and the nav bar can be differentiated properly. So next we discuss about experiment 5, wherein we discussed about the screen navigation and flow. As you can see here, with regard to the screen navigation, the first concept that we try to do in screen navigation and a good user experience design is that its design should be user focused. So as we know that in the sign in page, when we try to log in, we give this option of adding topics that the user likes, so that topics will be displayed to the user more frequently and not the other topics. Suppose a user likes cricket or is interested in world news or travel news, so he can add those topics here, and then those topics would be displayed. We can click on the sign up button to sign up. If the user goes to when we go to the home page, or by clicking on the Newspoint website, we reach here onto the home page. We got this breadcrumb navigation on each and every page. When we go there, we have got this breadcrumb navigation where we can actually, it is keeping a track of what our path till now has been. So we can go to the home page by clicking on this, and then we can do it on multiple pages. We can go onto the home page. Then we have tried to make use of the home link. This clicking on this icon, Newspoint, always, no matter where you are, if you even if you're on the suppose sports page or the technology page, you can click on this news point and it will always take you there. Move on the technology page. Yeah. So this is the universal navigation that we have. We've got this search bar also in our website. Then in the main body, we've tried to keep the color brightness as RGB 255, 255, 255. The text is RGB 231, 232, 227, and the color brightness is also kept appropriate. Now we'll discuss about the use of icons and images into our website prototype. As we can discuss here, when I go to my home page, there is proper size of the images that is being used. There is proper size, as you can see here, the rectangular images which are very clear, and at the side we can see the images are kept circular where they're needed. So we have taken care of these images. Also, the care of the icons has been taken care of. As we know that icons are very important, so we have used appropriate icons. Like for sign in, we have used this icon. For home, we have used this icon. For cities, we have used this icon. For sports, we have used this football icon. As you can see, for different options, we have used different icons. Even for the news that are displayed, so when till what time ago that news was displayed, so we use this watch icon. We use this icon to display what is the number of comments into that particular section. So yeah, so these are the concepts that we discussed. Now we move on to the accessibility. Now we move on to the accessibility section, where we discuss the accessibility for users with disabilities. And as we have already discussed that for people with color blindness, we have tried to keep the color as white, gray, and purple, which suits the people with color blindness. We've tried not to use combinations such as red, green, blue, which can create problems. For people with visual disabilities, like with weak eyesight, we have tried to keep different headings like H1 for the highest headings, H2 for the main headings, and then proper bold of the text has been done. Yeah, for visual clarity, we've tried to keep the appropriate font size, style, and capitalization. There is proper spacing in the different segments. So, for auditory disabilities, there is no provision at the moment. For cognitive disabilities, people with different spatial reasoning skills, we have tried to keep the design as simplistic as possible. And then there is this provision to use the search bar, where the people can search for different options that they usually can't access to. So yeah, this is the website that prototype that we've developed. As you can see, this is the website developed in very simplistic and very minimalistic. We have tried to keep it, and we have tried to incorporate all the concepts that you learned throughout this particular lab course of HMI lab. Thank you.